Benefits of calendula for skin. Calendula is a plant that not only produces beautiful flowers but also provides various health benefits, especially for the skin. Here are some benefits of the calendula. Number 1. Calendula can be used to treat dry skin. Calendula is moisturizing, making it perfect for dry skin treatment. It's also mild on the skin and suitable for those with sensitive skin. Calendula is an emollient, which means it forms a protective layer on the skin surface to keep moisture. Number 2. Calendula can be used to treat acne. Calendula has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to get rid of acne on the face. Calendula also helps to kill germs that cause acne, to prevent the growth of new acne on the face. Calendula helps reduce redness on the face due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The hydrating properties of calendula can also help reduce the effects of acne scars on the face so that the face looks cleaner. Number 3. Calendula oil can also be used as a natural sunscreen. Calendula oil can be your alternative to protect your skin from sun exposure. Calendula oil has an SPF compound, which is believed to be able to prevent skin damage caused by the sun. However, more research is still needed to confirm the efficacy of calendula as a natural sunscreen. Number 4. Treating wounds. Not only is it able to protect skin from the sun, calendula oil can also speed up wound healing. Calendula oil can reduce swelling, bruising, and redness of wounds on the skin. Calendula is also able to trigger the growth of new skin tissue and reduce inflammation during wound healing. Number 5. Natural antiseptic. Not only has the potential to be a natural sunscreen, calendula oil can also be used as a natural antiseptic. This is because the calendula plant contains strong antimicrobial and antiviral compounds. These compounds were found to be able to fight harmful pathogens such as fungal infections and even bacterial infections that are resistant to antibiotics. However, more research is still needed to confirm the efficacy of this calendula. Number 6. Calendula is a flowering plant that can be used to treat diaper rash. Diaper rash is one of the skin problems that your little one can face and make them uncomfortable. Fortunately, calendula oil is believed to be able to overcome this skin disorder. You can put a small amount of calendula oil or a mixture of calendula oil and aloe on your baby's skin with diaper rash several times a day. However, the progress must still be seen so as not to get infected. That's all video about calendula. I hope this video is useful for all of you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like and share.